How to get a free HelloFresh box or discount code. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can get a free HelloFresh box or discount. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So the best way to get HelloFresh for free is through the referral link. There are special invitation link from HelloFresh users that give you a free first box where you only have to pay around $5 to $10. So for the referral link, you could ask one of your friend who is currently on or who is currently have account on HelloFresh to refer you a link or the promo code that you can use while signing up HelloFresh for the first time. So if you're planning to sign up in the HelloFresh, make sure that you have the referral link or the promo code or the referral code that you can use. So during your sign up process, you have to apply that code or you have to sign up via the referral code, pick up your plan, add meals to your box, and during your checkout, you will see the discount automatically applied. So that's one of the way to use the HelloFresh for free or with some discount. You could also search for any other promo codes online, such as at Fit65 or others offers which may vary on the location or availability. So you could also search for such promo codes online. If you could find one, you could use that. You can also grab other exclusive discounts if you're a teacher or student, nurse, or military member, but for that you may have to verify your identity. And if it that your case, you may get 55% off with a free dessert for life. So that's the offer you can also get. So these are some of the way that will help you get HelloFresh box for free or some discount code. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.